In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change chart type in TradingView. If you're analyzing price action, the chart type you choose can make a huge difference in how clearly you see trends, levels, and momentum. So let's walk through it together in a simple, straightforward way. First, open a chart in TradingView. It can be any market or symbol you want to analyze. Once your chart is open, take a moment to orient yourself. The price graph takes up most of the screen, and above it, you'll see the main toolbar. This toolbar is where you'll find the control to switch chart styles. Now, look for the Chart Style button on that top toolbar. It typically displays the current chart type, like candles, and often includes a small icon and a drop-down arrow. This is your gateway to changing how the data is visualized. If your window is narrow, the label might be abbreviated or shown as just an icon. That's normal. Hover over it to confirm you've got the right control. Click the Chart Style button. A menu will open with a list of chart types, including candles, bars, line, area, and more. Here's a quick sense of what these mean so you can choose with confidence. Candles show open, high, low, and close in a compact format, making patterns and momentum easy to spot. Bars convey the same information with a slightly different look that some traders prefer for clarity. Line charts connect closing prices over time, which can simplify noisy price action and help you focus on the overall direction. Area charts are similar to line charts but fill the space beneath the line, making trends and relative moves more visually pronounced. You may also see additional options designed for specialized analysis. They're there if you want to explore later. Select the chart type you want by clicking it. The chart will update instantly, so you can immediately gauge whether it suits your analysis. Take a moment to observe how the new style affects your view of trend, support and resistance, and volatility. Remember, changing the style doesn't alter your data or indicators. It only changes how that information is displayed, which can help you spot different insights. That's all there is to it. Open a chart, find the Chart Style button on the top toolbar, click it, and pick the view that works best for you. Try a few styles, see which one makes the picture clearest, and use that to make more confident decisions.